back to Math Time. I'm Mr. Julius Sineta. You can call me Boss G. I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is about illustrating rational algebraic expressions. What is rational algebraic expression? Okay, let's define it. Rational algebraic expressions are expressions that can be written in the form P over Q. So take note, rational algebraic expressions is in the form of a fraction, wherein P and Q are polynomials and Q is not equal to 0. So P there should be a polynomial, Q should also be a polynomial, and take note, there is a restriction here. Q should not be equal to 0. Why is it that Q should not be equal to 0? Take note, Q here is the denominator. Why is it that Q should not be equal to 0? So later we will find out. Anyways, let's continue with this. Now, which of the following is a rational algebraic expression? Number 1. Square root of 2y plus 5 over t. Is it a rational algebraic expression? No. Why not? Okay, so that is because there is a variable inside a radical sign. So take note, if there is a variable inside a radical sign, even if the given expression is in a fraction form, then it is not a rational algebraic expression. How about the second one? 5x minus 1 over x minus 5. Yes, it is a rational algebraic expression. How about number 3? A plus b over a plus 3. Very good. Yes. How about number 4? X minus 2 over square root of 5n. Very good. No. Why not? So same with number 1, there is a variable inside the radical sign. Let's try another. M plus 3 over 5n. Is it a rational algebraic expression? Very good. Yes. Next, 5x squared minus 1 over x raised to 2/3 minus 9. Is it a rational algebraic expression? No. Very good. Why not? Okay, so that is because a variable is raised to a fractional exponent. Take note, if a variable is raised to an exponent which is a fraction, then it is not considered it as a rational algebraic expression. Therefore, 5x squared minus 1 over x raised to 2/3 minus 9 is not a rational algebraic expression. How about the next one? X minus 7 over a raised to 0.25 plus 3. Rational algebraic expression or not? No, very good. It's not. Why? Because a variable is raised to a decimal. So take note of those restrictions that I had mentioned a while ago. So first one, if a variable is inside a radical sign, if the exponent is a fraction, if the exponent is a decimal, and if the exponent of a variable is a negative number, then they are not considered as rational algebraic expressions. How about number 8? So 70 plus square root of 8 over 5t. Very good. Yes. So why yes? So even if you can see a radical sign there, but there is no variable inside it, okay? If it is a number, then it is still considered as a rational algebraic expression unless there is a variable inside the radical sign. Okay, let's continue. X over x plus 10. A very good example of a rational algebraic expression. Say if x is equal to negative 10 and we substitute it to the given RAE, we now have negative 10 over negative 10 plus 10. So we simplify. We have here negative 10 over 0. So what is the answer? Negative 10 over 0. Very good. It's undefined. Why undefined? So we cannot find any number that would answer negative 10 over 0 because you cannot divide a number by 0. So therefore, it is undefined. In a rational algebraic expression, if the value of the variable when substituted to the rational algebraic expression makes the expression undefined, that value is what you call as the replacement value of the variable. So what makes RAE undefined? The replacement value of the variable. Say for example, we have here x over x plus 10. What is the replacement value? Yes, it is the value of x which is equal to negative 10. It makes the denominator 0 and it makes the rational algebraic expression undefined. Okay, here, example number 1. X plus 5 over x minus 3. What would be the value of x that would make the given rational algebraic expression undefined? So we have here x minus 3 equated to 0. Then transpose negative 3 to the other side of the equation. X now is equal to positive 3. Okay, so let us check if our answer is correct. So to check, substitute the value of x, that's 3 plus 5 over 3 minus 3, then 8 over 0. Then what happened to the rational algebraic expression? It becomes undefined. Therefore, what is the replacement value of the variable? It is equal to 3. How about this? What is the replacement value of the variable given the denominator x squared minus 2x minus 3? So by factoring, we come up with the factors x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1. So we equate both factors to 0. X minus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0, transpose negative 3 to the other side of the equation. Same as true with positive 1 to the other side of the equation. Then we have now x is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 1. So the replacement values of the variable is x and negative 1. How about this? 5 over 2t squared minus t minus 15. So what would be the replacement value of the variable? So 2t squared minus t minus 15. By factoring, we have 2t plus 5 multiplied by t minus 3. Equate both factors to 0. So 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. T minus 3 is equal to 0. Transpose positive 5 to the other side of the equation. Negative 3 to the other side of the equation. Then we now have t is equal to negative 5 halves and t is equal to 3. So the replacement value of the variable is equal to 3 and negative 5 over 2. Thank you for listening. Have fun learning. I hope you enjoyed our discussion today and you learned something on our discussion. See you on the next video. Goodbye.